Gentlemen, in the previous video I discussed what are the differences between the level of detail and level of information, and also in that video I promised you that I'm gonna go into the depth with both of these topics individually. So that's exactly what I'm doing here. Today in this video I'm gonna be talking about the level of detail and the grades of models that you need to know about. So I'm going to enact a scenario right now, and if you do not want to be fired, please clean your ears and listen to me and what I have to say for the next 4 minutes. Hey, here are the designs that I promised you. Thank you very much. Wait a second. You promised me, I asked you grade 3 designs, the G3 designs that we talked about. I think those are the ones that I gave you. So you are telling me that this plan view with schematic designs, symbols of chairs and the components that we are going to put in the model is the G3 model designs that I asked you? Yes. You know what I'm about to say next, right? I'll pack up my bag right now. Alright, I know I'm a bad actor, but that's why I'm not in Hollywood or Bollywood, thank God. But I hope you get the point. So the AEC BIM Protocol UK defines the grading model as G0. So the G0 grade, the grade 0 model is the most basic design and has the most minimum amount of detail possible. It is still in 2D and not up to scale and looks something like this. For example, if you take a chair, a door for example, it looks like this. For a window, it looks like this. Every schematic design on the plan view is the grade 0 model component. Now the most minimum detail and is nearly not looking as like its finished product. If we take an example for a chair, then it looks like this. Couple of rectangles arranged in such a way that giving it a shape of a chair. So now let's talk about the grade 2. Now the grade 2 model can be used for the purposes of construction. Why, you ask? Because this model is not just up to scale and is in 3D, but also includes all of the measurements of all of the dimensions required for construction. It also includes the material that's going to be used to make that particular components, hence making it suitable for construction. And it also nearly represents the finished product. And in the case of a door, it looks like this. And in the case of a whole model, for example a house, it looks like this. So hope you guys getting clear idea. So now let's move on to the last kind of grade, which is grade 3. So as the grade 3 progresses from the grade 2, it's natural to, and it's common sense, to assume that it has all of the properties of the grade 2. It's up to scale, it can be used for construction, it has all of the materials that are going to be used for the construction, it has all the dimension values, but the one thing that separates it from the grade 2 is that the grade 2 is just a model and the grade 3 is a rendered model. Want to see what the difference looks like? In the case of a whole house, the grade 2 looks like this, but the grade 3 looks something like this. So as you can see, it's more rendered and visually attractive and is mainly used for visualization purposes to show it to the client to make him go, I want that. Not that dramatic, but you get my point. And that's all I really had to say in this video. This has been Naman Singhal from Rising Gulf, and today we discussed the different kind of grades, and hopefully you learned something from this 4-minute video, I hope. And that's about it. If you guys have any questions related to BIM or topics like this, all of the social links to follow me are down below. And if you like these kind of videos and want to know more about BIM, subscribe to the YouTube channel, which you are probably watching it right now. Hit that subscribe button so that you know when I post another video. Okay, that's about it, and I will see you guys in the next video, so take care.